Hello and welcome to our channel Homestead Life Finland. My name is JJ and in this video I will be building an indoor hydroponic garden for my work and study room. I will be showing you a step-by-step guide how to build it and how to set it up. I also will be showing you how to operate it. We will be planting some lettuce and some herbs and some flowers for the hydroponic system. I will also be showing you the cost to operate it. So if you like this video, please put thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Now let's go and see how it is all done. Alright, so in this section I will be showing you how I actually built this hydroponic system. I ended up ordering the ready frame from AliExpress because according to my calculation it was a lot cheaper than buying from my local supplier. When you assemble it, remember to glue all the joints to prevent any leaks. It is very important to fill it with water after you have assembled it, and to make sure that there is absolutely not one leak. If you find any leaks, just redo the leaky connections and do the leak test again until the system is completely leak-free. Next, I will be showing you how I solved the problem of hanging the LED bar lights for the hydroponic system. Feel free to post any comments in the comments section below and I'll be more than happy to answer any of your questions. Now I will leave you to it, and in the next section I will show you how to prepare this system for the plants. Enjoy! Hey, don't forget to watch until the end of this video. I will be showing you some cool stuff that I did with the hydroponic system. I will also be showing you what would have I done differently planning and building the hydroponic system. And hey, if you like this content, hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, so I will be posting you guys more of this awesome content. And now, stay tuned until the end of this video. Welcome to the second part of this video. In this part we will be preparing the nutrition solution for the hydroponic system. For that we use Advanced Hydroponics pH Perfect Nutrition line. Remember to add the micro first, after that grow, and at last you add the bloom. It is very important to steer very well between adding different nutritions. Then we will check the EC, which is good between 0.6 or 0.8 for the salad. At last we add the enzymes and the molasses for the trichoderma bacteria. By adding beneficial bacteria to the hydroponic system, we can prevent root-borne diseases like fusarium and piping. And this way we will be enjoying healthy and vibrant plants. For the growth substrate, we use 100% coconut coir. Place some coconut coir on a bowl and remember to break all the lumps. After this, add some water to get it just right. Fill all the baskets and make sure you don't fill it completely full. After this, you can start planting the lettuce seeds. Now, at the end, you have to cover them with a little bit of extra coconut coir. Make sure you keep the coconut coir moist until you start seeing some growth. Hey guys, and welcome to the last part of this video. I'm so glad that you have watched until this last moment, and as promised, I will share you some cool tips that I did with this hydroponic system, and also I will tell you the exact cost, what it costs to operate it, and also I will be sharing the things I would have done differently planning and building this system. So let's start from the cost of operation. Okay, so let's take a look at the cost structure of the project. We had the frame, the nutritions, 3 times lights, and supplies with 120. That makes total of 348 euros as initial costs. And now for the operational costs, it only costs 6 euros a month to grow full lettuce plant from seed to harvest. And just for comparison, if you would buy the lettuce from the supermarket with the price of 1.4 euros, 36 heads of lettuce would make around 50 euros. So let's do the quick math. You would have to grow 8 harvests of lettuce, so you would have actually paid the whole hydroponic system. So guys, this salad was planted exactly 1 month ago from the seed. And here you can see that I also planted a tomato plant exactly 1 month ago. What have I discovered about how fast things actually can grow in a hydroponic system? So if you take a look at this tomato plant, this has exactly 1 month. I planted it at the same time as I planted my tomato seedlings for the hydroponic system. So I discovered that if you want to grow plants faster, maybe you could even use all of these baskets to grow tomato plants. You can absolutely do it. So there is basically 2 ways you can harvest the hydroponic lettuce. What we've been doing is when the leaves start curved down, we always clip the ones that are curving down and harvesting it little by little. There is also a way that you can take this entire plant and you can cut, leaving maybe 1 inch of plant. You can see it's a lot of lettuce. Now if you harvest this way, that you leave approximately this 1 inch of plant, like so, it grows approximately 3 times until it starts to taste a little bit bitter. So I would recommend maybe start clipping the hanging leaves first, like so. These ones, you can clip those, and when the lettuce is high enough, then you can cut the whole plant. Okay, now the last thing, what would have I done differently building this system is definitely comes down to the lights. Are only 50 centimeters long. So as you can see, when we observe here on the far left corner and far right corner of the system, we can see that the growth is just not satisfactory. So according to my understanding, the light just doesn't reach this point, so I would need a more larger light. So you can maybe try to buy the one that is 90 centimeters long to get better results. Another thing that I noticed is that when the plants actually, if you take a look at here, start to grow, they will start to touch the LEDs. And when the LEDs are hot, I actually ended up losing a couple of LEDs. They just turned off and they won't go on again. Probably they short-circuited because these plants were touching the LEDs. So maybe get some LEDs that has like a plastic cover that covers the hot lights, so you don't get any light damage. And as my last tip that I would like to share with you, I changed the actual hydroponic water pump that came with the system, and I switched it to a more powerful pump, as you can see here. This pump will lift approximately to 2 meters. So I could hang this hydroponic system on my kitchen wall. So that was all, guys. I thank you for your time, and if you like this video, remember to share, subscribe and hit the thumbs up. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.